Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as the Father of Nation, he was born on October 2, 1869, at a small town named as Porbandar in Gujarat. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him, who devoted his entire life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He was a devotee of truth and non-violence, Satya and Ahimsa ke Pujari. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced this day the International Day of Non-Violence on 15th June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along with the President of India, gathers here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is sung for him. All the schools, colleges, private offices, and government organizations remain closed on this national holiday. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have faith in themselves and fight for their rights. He asked the Indians to not to serve the British and fight for their freedom. It is because of his devotion and struggle that India is a free bird today. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi's principles of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation. During his struggle, Gandhiji has to go jail several times. He has led to many important movements such as the Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement and non-cooperation movement. Also, he started Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930 and walked for 400 kilometers. Quit India was a call to Britishers to leave India and go. He did great works all through his life, which still has an impact on the people in this modern era. He has worked with great effort to achieve Swaraj, to remove untouchability customs from society, the eradication of other social evils, empowering women's rights, developing the economic condition of farmers, and many more. Many leaders and freedom fighters have also contributed their part in getting India's independence, such as Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and many more. They have fought till the death has touched their feet and taken them to heaven. In the history of India, these national freedom fighters along with Gandhiji will always be remembered. India finally got its independence on 15th August 1947 and we celebrate this day as Independence Day every year. Today on his birthday, let us remember him and celebrate this day with joy and prosperity. His life was an inspiration for all of us and the sacrifices he made are our responsibilities now. Let us contribute ourselves to the growth and development of our country to pay a salute to nation's father. Do not waste their efforts and struggles by letting India go down. Even our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to maintain the cleanliness of our society on this very important day. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Friends, the speech in writing is given in the description box. So if you like this speech and this video, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment me Jai Hind.